Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wired Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to program PWM with Raspberry Pi and Python. Here we will control LED brightness with PWM. So let us get started step by step. This is schematic diagram. Here I am using one Raspberry Pi board, one LED and one current limiting resistor. This is 220 ohm resistor. Okay. And now we are going to make program to fade this LED. So it means its brightness will be increase and decrease. This is connected to GPIO 18. GPIO 18 is PWM pin. So it is capable to provide variable voltage. Okay. So once we will see its pinout diagram. Raspberry Pi has 4 PWM pin: GPIO 18, GPIO 12, GPIO 13 and GPIO 19. So these 4 pins are dedicated for PWM, so we can use as a PWM. Okay. So I hope you understood this schematic diagram. Now we will go to programming. So I will open VNC viewer. Okay, now go to start menu and I will open Thony IDE. This is our previous project program. So I will create here new project, close this previous project and I will save. Type here name, it's pwm.py. Okay. So first of all I will import rpi.gpio library. So import rpi.gpio. I will use as GPIO simply, and I will import sleep class from time library. From time import sleep. Now I will create a LED variable because LED is connected on 18 number pin. It is GPIO 18, and now I will set mode as a Broadcom numbering. GPIO dot set mode. You can use Broadcom numbering or board numbering. I am using here Broadcom numbering. That's why I will type here GPIO dot BCM, right? If you are using board numbering, so you can type here board like BOARD. Okay, but I am using here Broadcom numbering, so I will type BCM. And now I will make as a output. So GPIO dot setup LED as a output, so it will be GPIO dot out. Okay, now I will create here PWM object, GPIO dot PWM, and I will pass here LED and PWM frequency, it will be 1000, and I will store its value in LED fade. I will call it as a LED fade when we require this PWM pin. Okay, now I will set as 0 initial state of PWM. LED fade dot status, it is 0. Okay, now I will use while loop. It will be true. Here I will call change duty cycle. So LED fade dot change duty cycle, and I will pass here value. So duty cycle can change 0 to 100. Okay, I will explain you what is duty cycle. This is duty cycle. So duty cycle means on time upon total time into 100. So you can see this is on time and this is off time, so it is 25% duty cycle, because here it is on time is less than off time. Okay, here on time and off time is equal, so that's why it is 50% duty cycle. And here it is on time is greater than off time. Okay, here is only on time, there is no off time, so it is 100% duty cycle. Here is only off time, so it is 0% duty cycle. So it means you can see here duty cycle is less than 50%. You can see in case of 25% duty cycle, here off time is greater than on time, so its average value is closer to 0 voltage. Okay, and in this case it is 50% duty cycle, here on time and off time is equal, so this is, I think its value will be 2.5 voltage. In case of 75% duty cycle, on time is greater than off time, so its value will be closer to 5 voltage. Okay, in this case 100% duty cycle, here is only 5 voltage, means only on time, there is no off time, so its output value will be 5 voltage. I hope you understood this. Now we will go to programming. Once I will type here 25%, and now I will run this code. Okay, here is small I, stop and run. What is problem? Sorry, there is no status, it is start. Okay, now stop and run. You can see LED is glowing, and now I will type here 100%. You can see brightness will be more than current value. Okay, stop. Yeah, this is more brighter than previous value. Okay, so I will change its value every time, right? So I will use here for loop. For I in range, its value will start from 0 and it will up to 101, so it will increase up to 100 because it will be less than 101, and it will increase 5 in one time. Okay, and here I will pass I, right? And I will use a delay sleep, and I will pass here 0.05 second, it is 50 millisecond, and I will again use for loop. I in range, now it will start from 100 and it will decrease up to 0 and it will decrease 5 in a time. Okay, LED dot fade dot change duty cycle, and I will pass here I, and I will use here sleep for 50 millisecond. Okay, now code is ready. I will just run. So stop and run. Okay, what is problem? Here this is only LED fade, not LED dot fade. Stop and run. Wow, You can see LED brightness is increasing and decreasing. Here it's showing one error, so we can use this function here, and again stop and run. Okay, so friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, so you can support me on PayPal. My PayPal account is given in description box. And if you have any doubt, so let me know in comment box. And please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.